In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting based on another column in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of product names and their respective sales numbers for the years 2024 and 2025 in these columns. Now I want to highlight the 2025 sales numbers based on the sales increment or decrement as compared to the 2024 column. If the 2025 sales numbers for a particular item is greater than the sales number of 2024, it should be highlighted in green color. Otherwise, it should be highlighted in red color. To do that, I will use a simple formula that uses the greater than or equal to sign. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells of the 2025 sales number column. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula to check if the 2025 sales number is greater than the 2024 sales number. I will use the first cell in the range, cell D3 in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to green, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the cells. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the 2025 cell value is greater than or equal to the value of the 2024 cell value. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the sales numbers greater than the previous year are now highlighted with the light green color. Now let's create another rule for the sales numbers less than the previous year's sales numbers. This time I will enter the formula that checks if the current year's sales number is less than the previous year's sales numbers. I will also choose the light red color instead of the light green color as the background. As you can see, all the cells having sales numbers less than the previous year's sales numbers are highlighted in the light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be changed automatically based on another column value. For example, if I change any cell value to make it less than the 2024 column, the cell will be highlighted in light red color automatically. Similarly, if I change any cell value to make it more than the 2024 column, the cell will be highlighted in the light green color automatically like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, let's select all the 2025 sales number column cells again. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option, select the Clear Rules and then the Clear Rules from Selected Cells menu item. As you can see, now the cells number do not have any conditional formatting rule applied to them. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.